Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm gonna start, and today we are gonna do a video, and we haven't done one at all today, and we are gonna do the no burping challenge. Please like, comment, subscribe, and turn my notification bell on. And today, we are gonna be doing the no burping challenge with my seltzer. I'm just to give you a review. I'm gonna also give you a heads up that today I'm gonna do my live stream later. I'm gonna ask my mom. So cheers. I should use the straw. I'm just wearing my tank top right here because I'm kind of hot. Look at me too. Platinum Korean subscribers. I'm getting all of this because I want to get my biggest wipe out. Oh baby. Oh baby, baby. Maybe after this, we're gonna do a Britney Spears song, and that's Toxic. So get ready to hear my best singing. I want to give you 500 subscribers because I want you guys to see how far I can go with my subscribers, and I want to get more subscribers. You believe it, how many subscribers I need to get? I'm actually gonna show you how much. I think I'm getting this many subscribers. If you guys can get me there, please do. What is money? Like this. Okay, this is my subscriber number that I want to get by the end of this year. Or this one. And that's because it will be a non-subscribers, and I don't want to give up my dreams. When I do my singing, I take it very seriously, and I use my hand motions. I hope you guys can like my singing when I do the song. I'm actually gonna do a video of doing chair yoga on my phone because I want to be healthy. I don't want to eat junk food and be mad all day. It's not good. And tomorrow, guys, I'm gonna show you how to make turkey meatballs. Also, I hope you guys are ready to see that. I hope you guys are excited for my album to come out. I'm doing Hearts for Bruno and 4K Magic. Oh. I meant to say I'm doing 4K Hearts. I meant to say. I want to challenge someone to the no weapon challenge. And that goes for a crystal. Ugh. Thank you guys for coming on. Please like, comment, subscribe, and turn my notification bell on. Bye guys.